So now I will talk about difference between also, as well, to. These words are all used to show similarity or sameness. For example, Sohan plays saucer. Mohan plays saucer too. Sohan plays saucer. Mohan also plays saucer. Sohan plays saucer. Mohan plays saucer as well. The only difference in this is in their placement in the sentence. To and as well are used at the end of a sentence. As well is more formal than to. Also usually goes before the verb or adjective. For example, he likes chocolate. I also like chocolate. I like chocolate also. It's wrong. I like chocolates too. I like chocolate as well. The apples are delicious. The pears are also delicious. The pears are delicious also. It's wrong. The pears are delicious too. The pears are delicious as well. The expression as well as can be used in the middle of the sentence and is similar to and or not only but also. She bought the necklace. She bought the earrings. She bought the necklace and the earrings. She bought the necklace as well as the earrings. She bought not only the necklace but also the earrings. So you can also rephrase this to. Use also, to, or as well. She bought the necklace. She also bought the earrings. She bought the necklace. She bought the earrings too. She bought the necklace. She bought the earrings as well. As you can see, there are many correct ways to say the same thing. Is it?